And check this out. Today we are visiting a amazing apartment in Poblado. Okay, so now we saw the apartment all the way around and it's beautiful. Um, Sorry, I was silent all through the walk on the apartment because I was just concentrated on making the video. Look at this amazing view though. This is one of the things about this apartment that are so great though. This unit right here is called Cantajirón is one of the most exclusive units in the city of Medellin. You can see from here, you can see the whole city and you're very close to the exit to the airport. Also, shopping malls like El Tesoro are just 5 minutes away from here. Indiana, Lemont are also just like 20 minutes away from here, so it's just perfect. So the apartment is in now, for those who have family, there are a lot of good schools around this area. We're now going to see the amenities in this building, which is amazing. The building is amazing. I know I'm saying it way too much though. I'm gonna try to not say it a lot though, and I think I'm getting better at it though. Let me know what you think, if I'm getting or not, better or not. Now we're gonna go see the amenities. Let's go. The common areas in this building are just great. Just look at this. Ample area, green areas for your kids to play. You got trampolines. We also have a little clubhouse right there, which is actually cool though. Now look at the pool. This is just great. Looks like an infinity pool. We have like an infinity pool like, and look at this. Check it out. It's just a beautiful, beautiful view to the city. Check this out. just a great area for your kids though. I really like when I find these kind of properties because they're so complete. They're actually thinking about everybody. You got your swing, you got your swing right here, you got your trampoline, your clubhouse, and this amazing pool. Now, look at this little beautiful foyer, beautiful waiting area in the building. This is actually closed up with the gym. Just beautiful. I love these details in this building though. Things like this, which are very old Peter seats, actually are a beautiful touch in this building. The combination between modern and classic is just perfect. This foyer is gorgeous. Well guys, hope you really enjoyed this walk through this beautiful building and this amazing area in Poblado. Let me know what you guys think. My name is Thomas.